Hi, my name is Kirsten Lawless. I am the faculty coordinator for the Tutorial and Learning Center for Continuing Education. Our sole purpose is to help the students. It is to help you with your homework, it's to help you with digital literacy, with English conversation.
Between, under, inside,
and
you bring to us what you need, and we will do our best to answer it. We want you to feel welcome, you belong. We're here. We have faculty that bring their students to the Tutorial Center because they want their students to learn. And when you get there, we listen to you. We ask you what you need, and if we don't understand, we try to figure out another way to understand. Once somebody is tutoring you and you learn the skills, you become more confident and you're able to learn and study on your own. You will find laptops you can use whenever you're there.
So who would like a computer? Laptop? Laptop? Okay, there you go. Go ahead, have a seat and I'll come.
Books that teachers have given us to help you with your program. We have ESL books, we have HVAC books, we have HiSET books, we've got whiteboards. If you want to see a demonstration or you just like to stand up and use a whiteboard. We have workshop rooms where if a group of you want to go and study and work together in a private space, you can do that too. If you're a student at Continuing Ed and taking at least one class, you get all of these services for free. Come visit us, bring a friend. We're here to help you learn and grow. We want to see you there. We want to see you successful because you are part of us. And we want to be an extension of you as you go out into society. So please come, bring a smile, bring your questions, and we will do our best to answer them.